Good morning everyone! I'm here now sa Impact Challenger Hall 2. It's a Friday and it's a final day for Miss Universe. Coming in to meet Primo and the other guys over here. There you go. Dito na tayo. Patayo na ito mamaya. Where is Primo? Primo. Ayun! Ayun na siya. Tada! Hello! How are you? Ayan. O, diba nagkita rin?
Saan yung badge mo?
Yeah, alit sa bag. And this Migo. Say Migo.
So tired.
Ayan mga kaibigan. Finally, we've met. Tsaka si Migo. Migo is around. I don't know where. Nag-Yossi. Okay. Yeah, ayan. Excited diba? Diba? Mag-isera. Ayan. Ayan po mga kaibigan ng mga fans. Ayan o. Cheering for Thailand. Start our final. There they are, cheering for Thailand. Everyone, so magpapapasok natin later, and these are all the people that you can see. Daming tao, di ba? And everybody's cheering for specific one, so ayan na po. MIQ, I think. Ayan o, yan yung shop ng Miss Universe, and somebody's online selling anything. I don't know. Just don't know if they have a discount or what. Ayan na naman. Hi. Yeah, bilhin ng makeup, souvenirs, ayan o. Ang saya-saya. kaibigan, magkita-kita tayo after the finals, okay? Later on. And baka pa nandito tayo, meron ng napurunahang Miss Universe.